Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you how I make this wig. I am just using a regular dome cap from my local beauty supply store, and I also use regular push pins to hold my cap down because we don't want it slipping and sliding as we're making our weave. Today I'm going to be using Sensational Shear Muse DIY weaving system. It comes with 3 bundles. The bundles are in 16, 18, and 20 inches. The color is a Denim Ombré. It comes with a closure, but they call it a frontal, but I'm gonna call it a closure because it only has one parting space. And I didn't record the closure sewing down part because my camera did die. If you guys would like me to make another wig and make that part of the video, I will definitely do so. Just leave a comment below to let me know what you guys think. So I'm literally just going to tie the hair up to the best of my abilities. Just to get all the flyaways out the way, all the baby hairs out the way. I totally forgot to mention this wig does come with pre-made baby hairs. Whoop whoop to that. But all I'm doing now is just pinning down my closure to make sure that it stays flat on the head, and then I will show you guys a closer look of the bundles. As you can see, they come in 18, 16, and 20 inch like I said before. Super cute denim ombre, but it looks kind of silvery at the end, which I think is super cute for the end of the summer. So we're gonna get it rocking. So I've already sewn my closure onto my mannequin head. But once again, we're going in and showing you the bundles. I am going to take the longest one, which is my 20 inch. And these bundles, when you unravel them, it's 2 bundles in one. It's not just one super long bundle, which I love because it made it more convenient to glue down. I'm just using regular hair glue. It says it dries in 30 seconds, so you know that's your best friend at the moment, especially with a blow dryer being incorporated. So the next thing you want to do is take your wefts and measure them to make sure that they are the perfect size for your wig. So you're going to measure ear to ear. Well, I measured from where my closure ends to where it ends to where it ends, so ear to ear, like I said before. And I just push pin it in and go around and push pin it in again. Then you cut, and then you start gluing, and you're gonna repeat this process all the way up until you're finished your 20 inches. Once I get to the 18, I will come back and show you guys, you know, what's the result. Okay, so I am literally just gluing down my wefts. I'm just taking my hair glue and going down the weft with it. I make sure I use a decent amount only because I don't want my tracks to slip. And you're gonna do this all the way up. I do use a blow dryer and I use it on a medium setting. That way, you know, the hair can dry down fast and I don't have to wait forever. Okay, so now I'm going in with the 18 inches. I already used all of the 20 bundle. I didn't use the full 18 because I did start to run out of space and I wanted to make sure that the hair was layered properly. So I eventually ended up going in with the 16 inch, but I only used 1/2 of this bundle. So I only used the first section that I pulled away. As I told you guys before, the bundles do come in 2s. So I only used 1/2 of the 18 inch. And it's the same process. You're gonna just measure, cut, glue, blow dry, all the way until you get up to the top. Alright, so at this point I am getting towards the top, so I start using my 16 inches. I literally am just doing the same thing once again, gluing and placing, and you're just going to keep doing that until you get right to the very tip of the back of your closure. Like when I say I glue all the way to my closure, I glue all the way to my closure. So we are pretty much done our wig. I'm just going through and blow drying, pulling out all the rest of the push pins that I have. And then, you know, I'm going to go in, comb it, style it a little bit, make sure there's no kinks and knots in it. As you can see, there's some of the baby hairs in the front already laid. Now we are just going to take the wig off the mannequin head and flip her inside out, because I am going to add a track into the inside, just on the bottom, like the nape of the neck from ear to ear, so that way when the wind blows, nobody can see your cap, because girl, you don't want nobody to see your cap, okay, boo-boo? And I also cut out the cap in the front part where the lace closure is. I didn't record that part because I had a hard time, so that was that. But the wig came out super cute, and I'm going to show you guys a preview of what it looked like. Alright, so we are back, and this is the wig fully done. Pretty blue ombre hair. I didn't cut the lace or lay down the wig because I just wanted to give you guys a quick preview of what the wig looked like. I will have another video coming up that will show you guys how I laid and slayed this wig, and I will be doing a makeup look with it. But for now, please don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video.